In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unsubscribe from Namecheap, step by step, so you can stop receiving promotional emails and marketing messages you no longer want. This is a quick and easy process, and if you've been trying to clean up your inbox, this tutorial will walk you through the exact settings you need to change inside your Namecheap account. If this video helps, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. You can do this by going to the Namecheap website and entering your email address and password as usual. Once you're signed in, you'll be on your account dashboard, where you can access your account settings and preferences. From here, look at the menu and go to Profile, then select Tools. This is where Namecheap keeps a lot of account-related options, including notification settings. After that, find the Notifications section and click Manage. This will open the Notification Preferences page, where you can control the types of emails Namecheap sends to you. Now scroll down until you reach the Optional section. This part is important because it contains the non-essential marketing and promotional communications. In this section, look for Namecheap Newsletter and Marketing Communication. You'll want to turn this off so you stop receiving those emails going forward. Once you disable that option, take a moment to make sure the change is selected correctly. Then click Done to save your preferences. And that's it, you've successfully unsubscribed from Namecheap Marketing Communication. Depending on your account settings, it may take a little time for the change to fully take effect, but after that, you should see fewer promotional messages from Namecheap in your inbox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.